Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Job Solution. Today we will discuss about how to start a blog and how to you can earn from a blog site. So we know that there are several blog sites in the world, and being a blogger is one of the easiest way to earn money from home. Unlike any other job, if you are blogging from home, you don't need work for. You can work at any time of the day with ease. So some of the renowned blog site in the world is WordPress.org, WordPress.com, Ghost, Wix, and Blogger. And you can learn from with the free domain. Suppose if you want account in Blogger, with your Gmail ID you can open it, and then you can just create your own blog site with Blogger, and it not need to know so many things to do it, because of little HTML knowledge and CSS knowledge is enough. So but beware, blogging takes time, and before it starts making money for you. So I suggest you to jump into this field slowly. If you have a day job, don't quit it. Start a part-time with your blog. Just enter the here or just earn the money, not like that. So it's suitable for people who love to write and would like to share their knowledge and expertise with the world. Okay, you have something different knowledge you have. Every people have something different type of passion he have. So if he write with his passion subject, that will be help to enrich his blog site. Okay, to express the knowledge in the writing with the simpler with efficient way. Okay, and time required for starting a blog. The time required depends upon your level of expertise. If you are an expert, you can easily start a blog within a few hours. For complete beginner, day or two would be sufficient. Okay, so there are some tips I share in here for new blogger. So tips number 1 is start a blog about something in which you are really good at. Okay, and you have passion, which subject you actually. For example, if you love traveling and you have to visit a lot of places, then start a travel blog. You just write like in Bangladesh, some travel site like Other Bepari, you can start a blog like Good Banquet. And tips number 2 is always try to limit your blog to a particular domain. Okay, don't put content on multiple domains in one blog. It actually not problem, but if you when you beginning a site, that time if you do that, it actually create a huge mesmerize your site, because actually your audience will be divided. Okay, your niche will be divided. Actually, when you work, we said that you could be work with the traveling site, you could be work with the sporting site, you could be working with the journalist site. Okay, it's your preference, but when you work in multiple site, your niche will divide it. So for example, writing about a recipe tips on a fashion blog, keep your blog specific on one domain only. Okay, using your experience and expertise, try to create a unique and phenomenal content. Try to give a lot of value to your readers. Okay, write about something that will make the difference in your readers' life. Okay, so tip number 4 is listen to the readers of your blog. So when they are comment, try to listen what actually they want from you. Okay, try to solve their problems they are facing. Always reply to their comments. Okay, make them feel better. It actually engages your relationship with the with your audience. And tip number 5 is be committed to your blog. A blog is like a relationship, okay? Give it to some love and it will be. 6, think about the content, style, the tone of voice, audience, etc. Look at the people who are already doing what are you planning to do, okay? Ask yourself to the following: how will I stand out from the crowd? Because of there are so many blog sites and so many bloggers are blogging in the world. So if you want to show you showcase what you have, then you have to something that is not present in others showcase. So out of from the crowd, what can I say what that hasn't already been said? Okay, it actually keep that you little competition. Okay, what's my unique selling point and why do I want to do this? So tips number 6 is be professional in the way you handled and grow your blog. Don't criticize other brands, bloggers or people. Open-minded and willing to collaborate with the other creative. You will meet some fantastic and always inspiring people. How to be monetized? This is site. You can monetize your blog by recommending product or services related to your blog topic, either by writing an informative article or placing banner ads on your blog relevant places. Earn handsome commission when the person buy a product recommended by you. Another way is you can place Google AdSense. This is the another thing, and ads on your blog. More people click on your ads, more money you will make. Okay, then this type of thing you not to think the adding side, because of Google will all the thing will be do his own mechanism. You just permit to monetize it or not. And if you know how a blog site step by step first step by step completed and how completed, then please write me comment down below. I will be bringing next one video on it, so that you can easily know that how can you create a own blog site step by step. Thank you.